Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make tamarind juice, or some people call tamarind paste. In the Thai cooking, is always use the tamarind paste or tamarind juice that we will do today. This is the tamarind paste that we will do for this recipe today. Sour and a bit of sweet, and the seeds are all inside. Before we will cook, we need to remove the seed inside first. And so this is what we get. This is a very sour variety. We're gonna do is I'm gonna take about 250 grams of the tamarind. And after we remove all the seed, we're gonna drop this into the water. The water that we use is triple of the gram of the tamarind. For today, we use tamarind for 250 grams and use the water for 750 grams. And then put on the heat. We're gonna use for the medium heat to low and continue to boil it until the tamarind is soft enough to be the mixture with the water. The reason why we keep boiling the tamarind because we need to keep it longer, but some people use just only hot water and put tamarind for about 15 minutes. That is fine, but for this method you can keep more longer. And for the ratio of the water, it depends with the water viscosity or concentrate as you like. But if you like more dilute, you can add more the water, or if you need concentrate, you just use for this ratio. So this has been well squeezed out. As I told you, there's really no ratio how much water exactly, depend with the how much the viscosity as you like. And we boil it until it's smooth or it's homogeneous with the water. For me, I use take about 10 minutes, and then we gonna strain out all the fiber. It's always important to taste. You make this fresh, you know every time is different because it's different with the tamarind, and then you just taste and can see that it's more sour or more sweet. It's always gonna be a little bit different, and that is okay. And a bit difficult to strain if you make it very thick like I do today, but this is what I like because it's we can keep in the small package, and then we can dilute when we cook later. And this is our finished product. And now you can use this in either the pad thai, the basic of our Thai kitchen or the other Thai food. And after you finish this, you can put in the bottles and then put in the refrigerator to make it longer for use this. And as I told you, you can make it even more dilute or cook with some sugar or drink with the ice. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.